Assalamualaikum. What's up, traders? I hope everyone is doing very well. So, today we are back with the updated and more advanced version of TBA ELITE Combiner Alpha. And yes, this update version comes with a completely non-repaint template, and we are going to explore the newly updated TBA ELITE Combiner Alpha on live. So without wasting any time, let's jump into main video. First, setup process. Watch slowly. I'm showing in completely beginner friendly way. Step number 1. First, open your MetaTrader 4. Then go to file and click open data folder. Step number 2. Now paste the indicator I gave here exactly like shown in the video. Alright, our indicator setup is complete. Now let's see if it's truly non-repaint or not. So, you have seen all these signal and results, and you also saw that indicator didn't repaint even once, which means it completely 100% non-repaint. Alright guys, that's it for today, but this was just the beginning. In next video, we are going to live auto trading with TBA ELITE Combiner Alpha and test its real power in the live market. So subscribe to the channel right now and stay connected for the next big update. Take care everyone, stay connected with this channel and keep supporting us. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.